Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer. Welcome to my kitchen, and today there's nothing fishy about what we're doing. We're going to make Keto Encrusted fresh salmon with fresh carrots and a little spinach tomato salad. And folks, we'll be right back.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, we're back now, and what I'm going to do, I'm trying the keto diet. I'm going to take some walnut pecan, they call it ground up, looks like topping for the breading. I'm going to use half a cup. There's just a little left on the bag, so boom. Gonna put a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Looking for a sponsor. I have 1 rounded tablespoon of granulated garlic, oregano, and paprika. We're going to add that to it. And just mix it up with your hands. I got a nice non-stick pan, but I'm going to put a little olive oil into it. Not olive oil, sorry, avocado oil. I keep forgetting this is keto friendly. Oh, I also put a little lemon zest for flavor. I'll press that down like that. Gonna paint the salmon on this side a little bit. These salmon fillets are about 5 ounces, possibly 6. Just put them on the cold pan, you don't have to do anything special. Might as well do all 3 since I got them cut. And I bought this as boneless, skinless salmon. Got it at Sam's Club. You can also get it at Costco. And this butter I put on there is salt-free. And this is about to go into the oven at 425 for about 6 to 8 minutes. You want to hit about 145 to 160. You let it rest, and then I'll show you how to plate it up. This is our salmon. It's going to go into the oven. Keep your fingers crossed, about 5 to 8 minutes. I'm going to hit about 45 to 160, and if it's not brown enough, you can put it under broiler for like 2 minutes. And I put it on the bottom rack. I want to see what happens. Okay, now we're going to check the salmon. The salmon I have in the oven now, actually I put it in a little earlier, so make sure I had time to cook it. There's only 2 fillets in the pan, so let's check it, but everything else is the same. Look at it sizzle, huh? Nice. Good color. So I'm going to plate this up now, and then we're going to see how everything tastes. We're going to put some nice steamed carrots with it. And I wasn't sure if carrots were keto, but I looked it up and it says as long as you don't eat more than 5 cups of carrots in a day, you're okay. Well, that's about a cup. A little spinach for these nice grape tomatoes. You can put your own dressing on. And for a little extra zip, this is lemon zest that I peeled off. Ow! Gotcha. Always keep your fingers back. And this, my friends, is Keto Encrusted Salmon, fresh carrots, spinach salad, grape tomatoes, and you can put your own keto dressing on. It's up to you. So, this is Chef Carl saying, I'm glad you stopped by. Don't forget to subscribe. I want to thank all the people and first responders and everybody's out there to keep this country going, all our servicemen and women. And I love you. And if you got any ideas for you want me to make something, just put it in the comments. And till next time, adios muchachos. Bye.